Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we're about to break down one of the biggest myths in personal finance, that you need to be wealthy to start investing. What if I told you that you could begin building your financial future with just $100? Yes, you heard that right. Before we dive in, let me share something fascinating with you. Did you know that if you had invested $100 in the S&P 500 30 years ago and consistently added just $100 monthly, you could have over $100,000 today? That's the magic of compound interest and smart investing, which we'll explore today. Let me start by telling you about my friend Sarah. Like many of you, she thought investing was only for Wall Street experts and millionaires. She had $100 saved from her part-time job and wasn't sure what to do with it. Today, 3 years later, she's built a diverse investment portfolio and is confidently working toward her financial goals. Her story could be your story. I'll walk you through 4 simple but powerful steps that will transform you from a complete beginner into a confident investor. We'll cover everything from understanding the basics to choosing the right platform and creating your first mini portfolio. First, let's get started with understanding investment basics. Let's be clear on what investing really means. When I first started, I learned that investing is fundamentally different from saving. While saving is setting money aside for future use, investing is putting that money to work for you to generate more money over time. Think of it this way. If you plant a seed, which is your investment, water it regularly, which is consistent contributions, and give it time to grow, which is long-term perspective, it can develop into a flourishing tree, which is wealth accumulation. That's essentially how investing works. And now for a few key investment terms. Let me break down some essential terms that every beginner should know. Stocks. These are small ownership pieces of a company. When I buy a stock, I'm literally becoming a partial owner of that business. Bonds. Think of these as loans you give to companies or governments. They typically offer lower returns but come with less risk. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These are like baskets containing multiple investments. I love recommending these to beginners because they offer instant diversification. Index funds. Similar to ETFs, these funds track specific market indexes like the S&P 500. Risk and return. Here's something crucial I've learned. In investing, risk and return are like two sides of the same coin. Generally, higher potential returns come with higher risks. But here's the good news. You can manage this risk through diversification. I always tell my viewers, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Even with $100, you can spread your investment across different assets to reduce risk. And now, let's discuss choosing your investment platform. Let's talk about where you'll actually do your investing. I've personally tested multiple platforms, and these 3 stand out for beginners. Robinhood. Robinhood is perfect for those who want a super user-friendly experience with no minimum investment. Acorns. Acorns is great for automatic investing and rounding up your purchases to invest spare change. Vanguard. Vanguard is ideal if you're interested in long-term, low-cost index fund investing. Platform features. When choosing a platform, I look for these key features. Educational resources, such as videos, articles, and tutorials. A user-friendly interface. Low or no fees. Reliable customer support. and strong security measures. And now, let's discuss some investment strategies for $100. Let's get to the exciting part, how to actually invest your first $100. Here's my recommended strategy. First, consider putting 70%, that's $70, into a broad market ETF that tracks the S&P 500. This gives you exposure to 500 of America's largest companies with just one investment. Then allocate 20%, that's $20, to an international market ETF for global diversification. Keep the remaining 10%, $10, in cash for future opportunities or to practice trading individual stocks when you're ready. And now a word on building a mini portfolio. Here's a specific example of how I would build a starter portfolio. $70 in VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. $20 in VXUS, Vanguard Total International Stock ETF. And $10 cash reserve. Remember to use dollar cost averaging, invest regular amounts over time rather than all at once. This helps reduce the impact of market volatility. Conclusion. Let's recap what we've covered. Understanding basic investment concepts. Familiarizing yourself with key terms. Choosing the right platform. Creating a diversified mini portfolio. And remember, every successful investor started somewhere. Warren Buffett made his first investment at age 11, and look where he is now. Now, it's your turn. Take that $100 and start your investment journey today. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. The best time to start is now. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Share this video with your friends who may be interested in starting an investment strategy. Subscribe for more informational videos on personal finance strategies. Drop your comments in the comment section below. I love hearing about fellow investors on their journey. If you like this video, you will love our videos on The Ultimate Guide to Paying Off Debt Fast and 10 Simple Money Saving Hacks that will change your life. Remember, we're in this together. And here's to growing our wealth, one smart investment at a time.